Hi, I'm Brett with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the Yampa, our super lightweight, highly packable, warm weather system bag. The Yampa offers cozy quilted construction and a soft and lofty 650 fill DownTek fill that compresses for optimum packing when the temperatures are mild. Paired with an ultralight pad and shelter, and you've got a Graham Counter's dream setup. The non-hooded design on the Yampa is ideal for summer camping or to use as an overbag. The integrated pad sleeve ensures you'll stay on your pad all night. The DownTek water repellent down repels water while maintaining its insulating value, and the lightweight mini ripstop microfiber provides high performance and a soft feel. All Big Agnes sleeping bags include interior fabric loops for bag liners and exterior loops for hang drying or storage. Fair weather bike packers, backpackers, desert dwellers, and anyone who can appreciate ultra compressibility of a lightweight 650 fill DownTek Big Agnes System bag, this one's for you.